In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft Build Battle with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase, in my opinion, what I believe is the best server to play Build Battle in. You will be able to join, team up with your friends, and play together Build Battle. So go over to multiplayer, and the server I'm talking about is Hypixel. You might have heard about it before because it is extremely popular. But if you have never joined with Hypixel, you can go over to direct connection or the option to add a server, and on the server address type mc.hypixel.net, like this. Pause the video if you need to copy. Once you add the server, it is going to be listed here. So all that you have to do now is join the server. You will need a genuine Minecraft account to do this. After you join the server, you will be able to play Build Battle by right-clicking with the compass to open the game menu, and all that you have to do here is look for this crafting table. So Build Battle, new speed builder themes. Create a build based on a theme in just 5 minutes. Vote on competing builds with ratings ranging from super poop to legendary. So all that you have to do is join Build Battle. So click on the crafting table and you will load in. Now, of course, you will have solo mode, but also you have teams mode. So if you want to play together with a friend and essentially cooperate, this is the mode that you want to pick. But if you all want to play solo and compete against each other, this is going to be the option. So all that you have to do is right click using your profile. So go over to your player head, open your profile, and to create a party, you can either type /p or click this option here at the top, create a party and join up. Create a party and then invite them using their username. So you just type out their username here at the top, click this paper, and the invite will be sent. Now, of course, in this example, I don't have anyone to invite at the moment, so I just typed out a random name and it gave me an error. But if you actually have your friend, they are logged in, they will receive the invite, and as soon as they choose the option to accept here at the bottom, both of you will be in the party. You can double check who is in the party by opening this menu and their player icons should appear. Now you can go ahead and join the respective mode that you want to play. Join team modes if you want to play together and solo mode if you want to play against each other. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft Build Battle with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.